all the Redmi Note 12 phones, that is the Redmi Note 12, the Redmi Note 12 Pro and the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus are officially launching in India on January 5th next year. This and more in today's episode. Hello and welcome to a fresh new episode of Daily Fiber. I'm your host Aman Rashid, and before we get on with the rest of the video, consider hitting that red subscribe button for detailed tech videos and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. With that said, let's get started. So I wanted to start by talking about the Redmi Note 12 Pro. So the Redmi has actually announced the official launch of the Redmi Note 12 Pro, and it will be coming along with the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus on January 5th. I was only about to talk about that, but just before rolling this video, I came across the Amazon landing page of the Redmi Note 12, and that phone is also launching on January 5th. So this makes it clear that all the Redmi Note 12 devices are launching on January 5th, which is great news. Now, what do we know about the Redmi Note 12 Pro? So going by the teaser, you can see one thing is sure, that the Redmi Note 12 Pro will be featuring an OIS camera just like the 12 Pro Plus. Now this could be a 50 megapixel sensor. I mean, going by the Chinese variant of the Redmi Note 12 Pro, this could very well be the 50 megapixel camera that you see in the Chinese variant. It could very well come to India as well with OIS, of course. And the major key differences that I can figure out between the 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Plus is only this camera setup. That is, the 12 Pro Plus will be having the 200 megapixel camera and the 12 Pro will be having this 50 megapixel camera. Apart from this, the 12 Pro could also have the 67 watt charging. Again, that is also on the Chinese variant, and the 12 Pro Plus will of course have a faster charging rate. But apart from this, nothing. I don't see any major differences between the 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Plus. Now, coming to the Note 12, the landing page. So I can make an idea that what all we are getting in the Note 12. So 48 megapixel triple camera setup, no mention of OIS, of course. It could be EIS. Then there would be 33 watt charging. There's going to be a 5000 mAh battery. Again, Chinese variant also suggests all of this. There's going to be a Snapdragon processor under the hood, and also one thing to note, that the phone will be having a 6.7 inch full HD AMOLED screen. Again, Chinese variant also suggested, and the landing page also confirms this. And good to see that all the Redmi Note 12 devices will be coming with AMOLED displays. So that is good news. Now, let's talk a bit about the pricing. So I was just going through the Chinese website of the Note 12 Pro, and that phone in China starts at 1699 Chinese yuan, which is roughly 19,300 rupees. And guys, expect the prices of the Note series to be a little expensive this year. I mean, given the economy has slowed down, cost of components have also increased. So my hunch about the price of the Note 12 is that the 12 will start at about 15,000, 12 Pro at about 20,000, 12 Pro Plus at about 25,000. Redmi, please prove me wrong. Can we please get more affordable prices? I would be very glad to take it. But what are your thoughts on the pricing of the Redmi Note 12 series? Let me know, folks, in the comments. OnePlus has been dropping bombs lately. So in yesterday's episode, we were talking about the OnePlus 11, and we were speculating the launch timeline of the phone, like it can come in January, February, and this and that. And yesterday only, after publishing the Daily Fiber episode, I got an email from OnePlus, and basically the official launch date of upcoming OnePlus devices have been revealed. And this would be on February 7th. Cloud 11 is the name of the event. It will be held in my hometown of New Delhi over here. And as I said, OnePlus will be bringing its array of products, and the key highlights will be the OnePlus 11, the phone that we have been talking about in a lot of videos lately, and the OnePlus Buds 2 Pro. Now, these are the long-awaited sequel of the original Buds Pro. I've been using it now. Their battery life is not all that good. Those are old also. So I've been long awaiting the Buds 2 Pro. I want to test them out in person, thankfully, and I'm glad about it that OnePlus has given an official announcement and the sequel is coming. Now, what could be the price of the OnePlus Buds 2 Pro? I'm expecting it to be relatively cheaper than the AirPods Pro for sure, but generally so they won't come cheap. I mean, my hunch is that they could be priced around 12,000-13,000 rupees, considering the OnePlus Buds Pro were originally launched at a price of about 10,000-11,000. So that could be the pricing of the OnePlus Buds 2 Pro, but of course, the Cloud 11 event is not so far, and as we get nearer to the launch, we'll get to know more details about the OnePlus 11 and the OnePlus Buds 2 Pro. Is Elon Musk stepping down as the Twitter CEO? I mean, that's my question, and I'm sure you also must be having that question in your mind. So why is this happening right now? Why is this question being popped in the air? Basically, the man ran a poll on Twitter. He asked the people of Twitter whether he should step down as the CEO or not. And he also said in the tweet, it was written that whatever the results may be, he will abide by them. And to the surprise of many, 57 to 58% people voted in the favor of yes, that he should step down as CEO. And you know what happened after the results came out? He did not abide by the rules. He was basically behaving like a kid. And according to him, the results are null and void. He is not stepping down as CEO. And instead, he's saying that he will run another poll, a similar poll like this. And this time around, only the Twitter Blue subscribers will be able to vote in this poll. So basically, the bottom line is, as I said, he is in no mood to step down as a CEO, and at this point, he's just playing around. And you know, it's just a joke for him. He hasn't been anyway taking these polls seriously. And looking at the recent chain of events, these polls are definitely not serious for him. And yeah, again, he's just playing around. That's what I have to say about the whole situation. Samsung is yet to confirm the launch date of the Galaxy S23 line. I mean, rumors and speculations are saying that the S23 line could launch in the first week of February at the Global Impact event in the USA. But the new reports are suggesting that Samsung, there could be a delay in the launch of the S23 line because the company is not able to decide the pricing of the Galaxy S23 series, because of which the phones could launch by mid-Feb or even by the end of February. That could be, that could delay the launch by a few weeks. But this is something that can be finalized at any given time. So a launch in the first week of February can also not be ruled out. But again, all this is mere speculation and rumor at this point, and we might just see the launch in the first week of Feb. So until things are not official, and we are also approaching the launch like rapidly now, like February is right there. So we'll get to know more. We'll have concrete details once the launch is near. But what do you think about the Galaxy S23 series pricing? Now, I am already working. I actually have shot the video on the Galaxy S23 series and what we know so far. And that video is on edit. It would be out very soon. You'll be able to watch it on the English channel. So if you want to know everything about the Galaxy S23 series before the official launch, then definitely watch that video. But for this episode, I will again ask the question. What are your thoughts? What do you think could be the prices of the Galaxy S23 series whenever those phones launch in the country? Let me know in the comments. So guys, today's deal is specifically for ICICI Bank credit card holders and those credit card holders who basically want to upgrade to a OnePlus smartphone, a OnePlus flagship smartphone. So today we talked about the official launch date of the OnePlus 11. It's coming on February 7th. All that is good and dandy, but what if you want a OnePlus flagship phone right now? Which phone can you consider? Well, of course, OnePlus 10 Pro is an obvious option, and that phone is currently going for a superb deal right now on Amazon. So generally, the OnePlus 10 Pro actually received a price cut just last month, 1.5 months ago. I mean, the official price of the OnePlus started at like what, 66,000 rupees, and then it received a price cut of 5,000 rupees. So the current prices were going for 61,999 and 66,999 for its 8 128 and 12 256 GB variants. But currently, if you have an ICICI Bank credit card, you can get an instant discount if you purchase the OnePlus 10 Pro, and the instant discount is of 6,000 rupees, which brings the effective starting price of the OnePlus 10 Pro at 55,999 rupees for the 8 GB plus 128 GB variant, and about 60,999 rupees for the 12 GB and 256 GB storage variant, and that is a superb deal. I mean, so the OnePlus 10 Pro comes with a beautiful curved display, amazing design, like sleek design, clean software, stunning display, great cameras. I mean, on par with the rest of the flagships of the year. So OnePlus 10 Pro at a starting price of 55,999 is a deal to go for, and yeah, go for it. And with that, we have reached the end of this episode. So what are your thoughts on today's video? Let me know everything in the comments below. And as always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Fiber. I'll catch you all in a fresh new episode tomorrow. Till then, take care of yourself and thank you for watching.